Welcome to Cooking for Baby and Me. Today's featured ingredient is tomatoes. We'll be making grilled cheese with tomatoes and tomato salad with Burratini. Joining me is Dr. Jennifer Janko from St. Luke's University Health Network and Chef Anthony Bonett. This sounds amazing. Let's get started.
Hi.
Okay.
I love tomatoes.
I know.
Me too.
Tomatoes are all over the place. Kids love grilled cheese.
Absolutely.
We're always trying to put tomatoes on their grilled cheese. I find that the one thing kids struggle with when they're eating tomatoes on a grilled cheese is the fact that there's skin.
Yeah.
Right.
So we can either, and I had a thought about why don't we just dice the tomatoes so that when they're eating it, they're not necessarily getting so much skin in every bite. Just have some American cheese.
And you can slowly put a few pieces and a few pieces more. Before you know it, they've had a whole tomato.
I bought a little mild provolone, and let's put our diced tomatoes.
Tell me about the tomato and its health properties.
So tomatoes are, a lot of people think they're vegetables. They're not. They're a fruit. But you do get a lot of vitamin C out of a tomato. Vitamin C is super important. It helps with our immune system. We always think about how to have a healthier immune system to keep infections away. And vitamin C is a really great way to do that. So for kids who are always getting sick, we think about getting vitamin C. But I think even for parents and adults, the tomatoes, then the additional lycopenes that are in that, they do a lot of good healthy things in terms of reducing your heart disease risk, in terms of reducing your cancer risk. So this is one that you're going to get just as much benefit for the child as you will for the parent.
Wow, it really packs a punch in that
It does
tomato,
pack a
doesn't it?
punch.
Yeah, so I put the tomatoes in there. I put the cheese in there. Get your pan medium heat.
Okay.
Start out with a little butter.
And this is such a fast, a fast little sandwich, whether that's a meal, after school snack.
Yeah, they're great. Everybody loves grilled cheese.
Mm-hmm.
Now, what age should you introduce a tomato into a child's diet?
It's a little bit acidy, and so probably not the very first one that they would take. I'd put this closer to a year of age.
Tomato salads are great for summertime. So we have a couple ingredients. I brought some burrata. We call it Burratini. Burrata is typically 4 to 8 ounces. They're big.
Okay.
These are little 2-ounce burratas.
Okay, little baby ones.
Burrata is a kind of pulled fresh mozzarella that has fresh ricotta cheese inside the cheese.
Oh, yum.
For a tomato salad, I think you can just cut like that.
So you're going to flip it? That would be
Should I
super
flip it?
impressive.
Okay,
I don't
cool.
know. Are we going to have diced tomato flying around? Very cool.
Yep.
That is very fun.
You knew the perfect amount of time to leave that there. That is grilled to perfection.
Yes.
So you do need to keep a watchful eye on that one.
Spidey senses tell you it's going to burn. That's when it's time.
That's
I
probably
love the color combo. It's
Yeah, I
so
always try to
vibrant.
work the yellows in, or heirlooms you get different green or zebra colors, different ones. So I think the red onions is great in it. We got a little arugula just to make it kind of like into a salad. Okay, we got some nice basil. Nice amount of salt. Tomatoes really take to it.
Okay, we just kind of grind
Pepper.
away.
I got a little sherry vinegar. Then we have some blended olive oil in here. And then we're going to serve that with the
And the cheese.
burrata cheese. And
yes.
I think we're ready. Our grilled cheese looks great.
And that didn't take more than 5 minutes, I feel.
I also brought these. These are really easy to make. These are just focaccia crostinis.
Uh-huh.
Looks great.
The arugula adds a nice little color to it.
Yeah,
and
that's a
kinda
new one
crunch.
for me. I'll have to try that.
Yeah, I think you want to use one of the more hardy greens just so it kind of holds up
I like
nicely.
arugula.
Beautiful.
Cheese.
Yep, the burrata.
Burrata?
We're going to salt and pepper it.
Oh, look, that's just a picture. That's so pretty.
Beautiful. Let's try it.
Okay.
All righty, ready? Cheers.
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 Tomatoes.
Totally, I can see what you mean. Those
Tomatoes
tiny
don't-
little
yeah, they don't
pieces
get-
go down a lot easier.
All right, shall I try the salad?
Yes,
Done.
please.
Break open the burrata.
To get some of the burrata. Oh my
nice.
gosh,
See how it
look
does
at
that?
the
It just,
ricotta.
I'll tell you, a
Isn't it
child
nice?
would have fun with that because they just like exploding
Yeah,
volcano
if your
like
child
things.
likes dairy, it's great. Yeah, it's great.
That tastes like
So
summer
good.
on a plate. Delicious.